Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm back with another vlog, and this vlog is about when we visited the outskirts of Riyadh. So, I will give you a detailed review of these places along with the locations. You can check the locations and details in the description box. So, our first destination was Fish Farm, and it was 120 km away from Riyadh. It's in Al Kharj. So it took us 1 hour to reach there from Riyadh to Al Kharj, and there were so many date farms on our way. So this is the entrance of the fish farm. So here we reached the fish farm, and there were so many big ponds for the fish. There were like billions of small fishes inside the pond, and I could not capture it with my camera. You can see the big ones, but it's hard to see the small ones, but I tried to capture it. And these are all the fish cycles, separate from each other. There are different sizes of fish inside these separate boxes, and it was filled with water obviously. And we saw a fish cycle also. The eggs were hatched, and the larvas were there, and the fish how they grew into big fishes. And it was a separate area, you can see in my next clip. Here I want to mention that you can buy the tilapia fish from them. It's for 20 Saudi Riyal per kg, and you can get it from them. This area was specifically for the eggs, and how they were hatched and turned into the big fish. You can see in my clips. There were some cages beside the farm, and we went there to see what was that. We saw some hen there, desi hen, and unfortunately they were not for sale. So now we are heading on to our next destination, and we saw a nursery on our way, and we wanted to stop by and see what's inside. And we really liked this plant, but there was no one there to sell them. But we saw prices written on them, and it was just beside the sunflower field. And I will show you the sunflower field in a bit. And there were also cages for rabbits and ducks. So here we reached the sunflower field, and it was not allowed to go there and touch them, but there was a guy there who was, I think, the owner or the farmer there. He allowed me to go there and shoot some clips for you all. I hope you enjoyed the beauty of the sunflower, but they were also very scary because they were so big, and I don't know why they gave me goosebumps, but it's okay. Then we went to the fourth destination, that was abandoned pigeon palace. It was so hard to find it and reach there. I will pin the location down in my description. It was like an ancient building, and there was no one around, and it was a bit scary, but it was in daylight, so we went there and we entered the pigeon palace. There was not a single pigeon inside, but I'm sure there must be so many pigeons back in time because it was designed so beautifully for the pigeons. I will show you in the next clip how it was designed and how the ceiling was made for the pigeons to stay. So now we are heading to our final destination, that's also in Al Kharj, and it's called Fallen Star. It's where the star fell down the ground, and it made a big hole in the ground, and you can see the water, and it's so scary and deep, and no one knows how deep it is. So I will show you how deep and scary it is. There is a proper spot for it. You can see that from a spot, and there is also another spot where two pieces of star actually fallen down. So there are two locations to see them, but the second location is a bit far and you have to walk for it. This black thing is all water and so scary, and you can see birds above the water. So many birds were flying above the water, and I was thinking if I fell down I will never be able to come back. It was so scary to see. So this is it for today, and you can visit all these places in a single day. So if you are planning a trip to Al Kharj, you can see all these spots and they are very interesting, trust me. On our way back, we took coffee from Kayan Coffee shop, and it's also very famous. I have heard a lot about it, and there was also I always saw long queues beside this cafe. So we tried their typical black drink, which is very famous, and it was very good. So here I am ending my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.